Okay, installing the post latch onto the helmet is relatively simple, especially if you already have a system set up on your helmet, which this helmet does. This is a standard Hans connection on this helmet. In your kit, you're going to have a 4mm Allen wrench, a special tool, the post connector, a small screw, and the nut washer. And again, if you already have the Hans tether connection system on your helmet, you will not need the nut washer. So it's pretty simple. You're just going to use a special tool, slip it in underneath the padding on the helmet, and find the nut washer, which is behind or between the padding and the helmet shell. And then simply take off the Hans post, and grab the post connector for the push-pull. You're going to stick the screw into the center and simply tighten the screw up into the nut washer. And that's it. You're done.